Hi everyone, welcome back. This is Tiana. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make sea moss gel. So sea moss gel is simply seaweed which is found in the oceans of Atlantic coast between North America and Europe. So it has 92 minerals which is found in our body. It's very healthy for helping with digestion, toxins, and it's really good for boosting the immune system. So it's wonderful for your body, your skin, and your hair. But today we're going to be using it for our hair. So what is found in it? It has amino acids, it has sulfur, it has zinc, it has vitamin A, all the way up to vitamin K, vitamin B12, vitamin B2, and this is actually good for promoting hair loss. So it actually helps with the blood circulation, and it actually helps with oil production. It controls it. So what is the cause of it? Well, we have a lot of pollutants and different things in the air, different environmental factors that causes oxidative stress. So the antioxidants that's found in sea moss is definitely going to help with that. It's going to help eliminate that. And we're going to be using that today, like I said, just to make a gel. I definitely will be trying it inside of my smoothie. I'll give it a try one day. I'm not sure when, but I'll get back with you guys. Seaweed is simply good for health benefits. It's good for the skin. So if you want to exfoliate your skin, you can use the seaweed for that. Put it on your skin and leave it on overnight, and it actually helps with anti-aging, and it smooths out and moisturizes the skin. So what does it do for the hair? It's simply going to moisturize it. The dull hair moisturizes the scalp and the hair, and it's going to help, with fighting bacteria, antimicrobial, antibacterial properties found in it. Okay, antioxidants, which is known for, preventing antioxidant stress, and this actually causes hair loss. So that's what seaweed does. It's going to moisturize it, it's going to add shine, and it's going to help prevent breakage. Okay, so if your hair is not getting that daily moisture, what happens is you're going to get brittle hair and it's going to break off. And that's basically why you want to put the moisture back in the hair, add the proteins back in the hair, bring it back to life. So that's what I'm going to do, guys. Stay tuned. I'm about to show you how I make my sea moss gel. Okay, so we're going to be using raw sea moss that I got from Amazon, company Kinky green. So this is just some raw sea moss, perfect for making sea moss gel. It comes in an 8-ounce pack. So I'm going to use that along with some spring water. They say you can use alkaline water, spring water, or filter water. So we're going to go ahead and get started. So when you first start, you want to just measure out a small amount. Per the instructions, we're going to be measuring out a small amount. So I'm just going to take about that amount and put it in there, and we're going to take the spring water. First step is to pretty much rinse it off, but we're going to let it pretty much rinse off in the spring water. I'm just going to pretty much let it sit, and then I'm just going to stir it around so we can remove the dirt, debris. That's the first step. It has to be clean. They said that you can use lemon or lime, but I don't have any. I usually have it in my refrigerator, but we're not going to be using that today. So I'm just pretty much going in and just kind of breaking it up, squeezing it. Make sure your hands are washed before doing this, because they said if your hands aren't clean, it could create bacteria. So I'm just breaking it up and pretty much cleaning it off. And it's saying don't use tap water to clean it, so that's why I'm using the spring water. So I'll just keep doing that a couple times. So I'm pretty much just going to follow the same technique again. I'm just going to go in and just kind of squeeze it and just get the dirt and debris out of it. This will be my final rinse, and then I'm going to allow it to soak overnight, and then I'll get back with you guys. The purpose of rinsing it off is to remove the salt. So now I'm going to go ahead and apply some more water. I'm going to cover it all the way up so that it covers the entire sea moss. I'm going to let this soak overnight, and then I will begin back with you all first thing in the morning. Alright, so I let this sit overnight, and as you can see, sea moss is really expanded. Okay guys, so I'm done with making my gels, sea moss gels. I'm going to store this in a refrigerator, and I will be using it within 1 week. So I'm just transporting it inside of a bowl, and I'm going to be applying this seaweed gel to my hair. I'm going to be adding a little bit of jasmine essential oil for fragrance. Okay guys, so I'm going to be applying this seaweed gel to my hair. I already shampooed and conditioned my hair, and I sectioned it. So we're going to do a post treatment on my hair. So I'm going to be applying the seaweed gel, which I have in a container. I'm just going to take it and just unravel my hair, and I'm just going to start applying it. Apply it to my hair. Good morning, beautiful people. So today I'm going to give you my review on the sea moss gel that I made a week ago. Love it. That's all I can say. You can see the definition in my curl pattern. It actually has more shine. It's actually held my curls in place. It has a nice hold. So I highly recommend you try it, guys. So what I did was I left it in overnight, and I applied some aloe vera juice, which is mixed with fenugreek. Just pretty much went in and sprayed my hair. It's important you do a final step, you know, just blocking the moisture and actually help seal the cuticle, and that's what the aloe vera juice would do. It is great, you know, keeping it healthy, keeping it, you know, moisturized, and that's the main thing, keeping it from breaking. And it's gonna help prevent frizz. So I am very, very happy with my results, and I just noticed the difference in my hair. It just looks very healthy. So I'm pleased, guys. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to thumbs this video up, and I'll see you in another video.